How did this man, who lived his entire life in the 7th century Arabian desert, who didn't even know how to read or write, predicted correctly that the universe is expanding? Do you see this small dot? It's our world in the Milky Way galaxy. And this is our Milky Way galaxy compared to IC 1101 galaxy. And this is our universe. We live in a small world, and surely our universe is big. But how big is the universe? And go ahead, search it on Google. Come on, pause the video and search how big is the universe. This is what you are probably going to find. 46 billion light years, huh? That makes the diameter of our observable universe 92 billion light years. Can you imagine it? That's something really cool to talk about. But I now want you to focus on something else. It also says that the universe is expanding all of the time. Yes, scientifically, the universe is expanding all the time. So our first question doesn't have a constant, unchanging answer. It grows constantly. Until the 20th century, no scientists have ever talked about the expansion of the universe or even imagined to talk about it. In the beginning of the 20th century, Russian mathematician and physicist Alexander Friedman found out that the universe is expanding. At first, Albert Einstein thought that the solution was incorrect, but then he also concluded that they are in fact correct. Later on, an American astronomer Edwin Hubble found the Hubble Space Telescope. He made many observations in 1925, and he was the first scientist to visually prove that the universe is expanding. Really cool information, right? Well, get ready to hear something better. This information that we could recently learn about is in the Noble Qur'an for 14 centuries. وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدِيٍ, and the heaven we constructed with strength. وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ, and indeed we are its expander. The word musi'un comes from the root word awsa'a, so it means expander. Now, how could he know this if he wrote it by himself? Let's think of the impossible option. If he is not the messenger of Allah and he was lying to trick people and he was actually just a normal person. Astaghfirullah, do I really have to say that? Okay. Then here is my question. How did this man who lived his entire life in the 7th century Arabian desert, who didn't even know how to read or write, predicted correctly that the universe is expanding? Even beyond that question, why did he even talk about this if he just wanted to trick people for worldly benefits, which he never got, by the way? Why did he not just say, we created the universe, for example? I mean, he was talking to people who thought that the sun is as big as an apple. Why would he decrease his chance of tricking them by saying that the universe is expanding? Remember Galileo, if you say something that people will not understand, people are most likely not going to believe you even if what you say is true. So why? There is something really important to consider. A person looking for excuses to not believe will find their excuse. A person looking for the answer, on the other hand, will come to conclusion that he was not an ordinary man. And the words he was speaking were not random words. They were not made up, and they were not a man's word. In huwa illa wahyu yuha. It's not but a revelation revealed. If you enjoyed our video, click the like button so that more people can enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and write what you think about this video. And as always, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.